Physics does not start with formulas. It starts with how we observe the world. Yeah, welcome back. Let's make sense of motion. Before we talk about speed, force, or energy, we must answer a deeper question. How do we decide if something is moving or not? In physics, a body is any object that can be observed or studied. A car, a ball, a person, the earth itself. It does not matter how big or small it is. If it occupies space and can change its position, it is a body. In physics, we simplify reality. We focus only on what matters for motion. Motion means a change of position over time. But here is the key idea. Motion is not absolute. Motion is always described relative to something else. An object can be moving and not moving at the same time, depending on how you observe it. Let's replay the image in slow motion and observe the state of each body: the tree, the person, and the bus. First of all, the child does not change their position relative to the tree, so the child is at rest and not moving. However, if we analyze the child relative to the planet Earth, which itself is in motion, we can say that the child is also moving. For this reason, we say that motion is relative. Let's see what happens next. We have a bus with several children going to school. Analyze the state of motion of the bus relative to the tree and relative to the children inside it. And also analyze the motion of the children inside the bus relative to the bus and relative to the tree. Write in the comments what you discover. To describe motion, we need a reference point. A reference point is an object we choose and consider to be at rest. Example, you are sitting in a train. Relative to the train, you are at rest. Relative to the ground outside, you are moving. Same body. Two different descriptions. Both correct. Without a reference point, the concept of motion has no meaning. A reference system is more than a single point. It includes a reference point, a set of axes or directions, a way to measure position and time. The most common reference system uses a horizontal axis, a vertical axis, an origin point. This allows us to describe motion precisely using coordinates and time. Physics does not ask, is the object moving? Physics asks, relative to which reference system? Every law of motion depends on the reference system. Speed, acceleration, trajectory. All of them change when the reference system changes. Understanding reference systems is the foundation of all mechanics. If this concept is unclear, everything that follows will feel confusing. If this concept is clear, physics becomes logical and predictable. Motion is not about objects alone. It is about relationships. Body, motion, reference point, reference system. Master these ideas, and you have taken your first real step into physics. Bye for now. In the next video, Lesson 6, we'll talk about trajectory, distance, and displacement, and see how motion is described step by step in physics. If you enjoyed this explanation and want to learn more interesting ideas from physics, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to Geo's Stuff.